In this short video, I'm going to show you how to delete a file permanently for those who are using Ubuntu or Linux operating system. For instance, you can see this file, this folder here. Once you try to delete it, uh, it says it can't be deleted. So I can say skip all, but once you come back, let's say for instance, you come here and check where the command, you'll see it's present. Once you go back to the folder, you'll be able to see it. It has not been deleted. So one way to delete it permanently is by applying this command. Let's first clear. So here it's the folder. One way to do is can be able to do that. Remove file, then we paste it there. Now you'll be able to delete it permanently. So that's it.